Hi guys, welcome to Honest, Straightforward Reviews, where you get unbiased and unfunded
Hey guys,
reviews.
just got great news. I've just received my latest MacBook. I've just received the latest iMac custom build, and that's the prime reason that I've been so late and behind on this video. So let's start the unboxing and I'll get some stuff out to you guys. First of all, this is my setup at home for my studio, so I'll get these things out of your way first. Okay, so that's out of the way. Let me give that desk a bit of a wipe down. It's really super dusty. I'll leave the speakers there for now because I don't think they come in the way of what I'm going to be trying to do. Alright, so this literally came in about half an hour ago. Okay, let's open up the box. Wow. There you go. All right, let me move the camera a little bit back. Okay, so let's get this unboxing started. Okay. That's out of the way. Okay, so it's basically the keyboard and stuff. Just the cabling there. Nothing else in the box. That's basically it. So I'm gonna just put the box on the side. The unboxing of this would be exactly the same as my 2019 iMac that I unboxed for you guys. Okay, now you'll see there's some protection on there. That's because of the $750 screen upgrade that's supposed to reduce glare. Let's see what I've paid $750 for. And by the way, the screen you guys saw before, the LG one that I was using as a monitor, that itself is worth about $700. So it's really steep for Apple to charge that, but lately Apple's been like that. Okay, now let's go through and unwrap this.
Okay, so pretty normal at the moment. So as you can see, it's just the keyboard and the mouse just by themselves. There's nothing too fancy there. However, if you take a closer look, you've got that little cloth thing. What can that be? Maybe a mouse pad for a change? Let's open this up, have a look. Surely looks like a mouse pad, squarish. Let's look through the booklets and see what this is. Hopefully we can get some more information on this. Okay. Just a moment and haha. So basically, as you guys might have heard from YouTube if you haven't, but you get a cloth to clean the Nano-Texture Glass that is worth $750. Alright, so that's basically it. That's the secret new thing that comes a little bit different in the box. Other than that, you get the standard lightning cable, USB to lightning cable to pair your keyboard and mouse. However, I found when I connected it to the iMac, I didn't need that. They were already paired up to it. So I think they were installing the software on it and they paired it up. Let's look at the mouse. Standard mouse. Everything's standard. Nothing fancy. Nothing's changed. And the keyboard's the exact same as well. Bit of ASMR here for you guys. Alrighty, that's basically it, guys. Thanks for watching. Let me know in the comments what you think about this, and If you've got any suggestions, give me a like and subscribe if you feel like it. Thank you so much.